Okay.
Yep.
Hello, this is Team 3. And we were doing user story 1. So user story 1 is, as a user, I want to see and choose from a range of topics on the homepage in order to browse publications under a specific topic. This comes with the acceptance criteria of the homepage displays a list of topics that users can choose from, and users can select a specific topic and view related publications. So as you can see on our homepage, we have a list of topics on the sidebar, and to the left of that, those are where our articles are. And as you click through each topic, you see different articles appear as they are related to the topic.
Okay, and as you can see, if you click something that doesn't have a linkage, it will return nothing, which is means that there are no topics linked to the article. And you can head back and you can still click the first one and it's all good. You can also hit the homepage to get the latest results of everything. A bit about the application design. We have a database in the back end, uh, which you can access through Prisma Studio. And Prisma Studio, you can see here we have our data. So you can look at, like, for example, our topics, and you can map them. For example, computer science down here will show up in our topics here. Computer science is here, and essentially all of them just show up, and so they are mapped. And there are articles as well. So here you can see this, for example, Alzheimer's disease. And if you head over to the application, the database, Alzheimer's disease is here. And how we've done this is we have a few different tables. We have our articles, we have our topics, and then we have an article to topic mapping. The article maps, so for instance, here, article number 1 maps with ID 1 or topic ID 1. So we can see here that article 1 maps with topic ID 1. Next one we have is topic ID 3 maps with article ID 1. So if we hit topic ID 3, we hit article ID number 1 as well. So that's the idea. And that allows us to, that's how what goes on the back end. And to test this, you can hit our API at localhost 3000 slash API slash topics slash the ID. For instance, ID number 1, you would hit that and you would get all of the articles that are mapped with the topic ID number 1. Yeah, and this, of course, is just our sub team. So the other teams will have different implementations, but ours in particular was a searching feature, and that's how we implemented it in the backend. So talking about the front end now, I'll
Yeah.
hand it off to you. Yeah.
So for the front end, the first thing I want to talk about is the topics. So essentially, all the topics and the buttons that you see on the homepage, those are all pulled from the database. So I make a request to the backend and I expect a list of topics, um, of all the topics that are available. And then I would take those topics and create a grid and display all the topics available. And then when you click on a button, I allow I make a request to the database again, and the database will send me back a list of articles. And the articles are all defined to have a certain interface. They all have titles, authors, dates, etc. That way I can use that information and then display all of that in the form of a post on the post list. And that's pretty much the front end.
Okay, yeah, that's basically our teeth 2 subteam number 3 submission.
Thank you so much.